I posted a video recently on some of the magnesium forms, and I'd like to answer some of the questions that came up. I've tagged the video down below if you want to go take a look. And for those who don't know me, my name is Dr. Alyssa. I'm a naturopathic doctor and I specialize in gut health. Question number 1, what if you need more than one type of magnesium? There are some supplements that contain more than one form of magnesium, and I like using these personally in my practice because I find sometimes we need to use them for different reasons. But I would urge you to look at the reason as to why you need all these different types of magnesium and making sure that you're getting the root cause of that condition addressed. Because if we're just supplementing with a certain type of magnesium to cover up a symptom, this is just green pharmacy. In naturopathic medicine, we want to find the root cause so you don't have to keep supplementing something for the rest of your life. Question number 2, what type of magnesium should I take for X condition? I will talk a little bit more about other forms of magnesium, but keep in mind my page is for medical education only. None of this is to be taken as medical advice. I urge you to work with your doctor to figure out the best supplements for you. If you'd like to work with a naturopathic doctor, I do offer online consultations. You can visit the link in my bio if you want to set up an online consultation.